Number 1. QWORK Original 6 inches flat hand rasp, coarse wood rasp/file used for woodworking. Number 2. Bosch Professional BITURBO GCM 18 volts -216 cordless sliding miter saw. Number 3. Magic saw. Can virtually cut any material like bamboo, fire and log wood, tree branches, plywood, metal rods, profiles, tubes, bolts, screws, nails, chains, locks, electric wires, cuts stainless steel, aluminum or copper cables. It also cuts plastics, PVC plumbing drain pipes. Number 4. QWORK Multifunction 12 miter box with 14 back saw 45 degrees hole slot. Number 5. Edge banding trimmer, plastic PVC. Plywood melamine wood manual edge banding. Manual trimming woodworking tool. High quality material. The main body is made of PVC material, the manganese steel blades, with 6 blades, is firm and not easy to age, and the non-slip top surface is easy to operate. Number 6. WORX WX 427L6A 4/2 compact circular saw. Handheld corded electric circular saw with laser cutting guide. 6 saw blades. Ideal for wood, plastic and metal cutting.